The K through 2 companion document contains the same elements as the original document. The same graphic is here with the segments divided into their time frames, and then there are the different headings over here on the side. To access the resources within each heading, click the hyperlink and you'll open a folder with different resources for that segment. For instance, for phonics instruction, the script for the Orton-Gillingham 3-part drill is here for use. For vocabulary instruction, there are different resources. There's a multi-meaning graphic organizer with an example. For reading comprehension, there's a comprehension planning checklist, and this would be for the teacher. For writing connected to text in K through 2, there's expanding basic sentences. And for teacher-facilitated small group work, we've included the informal assessments that will help drive your instruction during this time, including the core phonics survey and how to assess. Again, remember that this is just a sampling of quality resources that could be used during specialized instruction in each segment. If you have any questions about the document or any of the resources in it, please have your SSA reach out to your program support specialist for AT and instruction.